And you've never been here before?
No, Gray only recently gave me access. Khalil? Khalil?
He can't hear you.
How is that possible? We buried him.
It's in stasis. The most humane thing we can do is unplug it.
No! Khalil is still in there somewhere.
Lynn, stop this. The Khalil we knew died. The ASA is going to know that you tampered with this thing.
It looks like they've completely wiped his limbic system. He's got an advanced chip in his brain. I've seen experiments with prosthetics in the blind, but this... Wait. I found his memory files. I'm gonna open one. His memories are intact. The Khalil we know is still in there. I'm gonna wake him up.
Lynn, let this go, please.
Your staring is less than professional, Doctor.
Stewart, Lynn Stewart. I'm sorry, I just... Do you recognize me?
Oh, of course. Your CV is in my files. Dr. Lynn Stewart, prize-winning, respected neurosurgeon and scientist. Specialty metahumans. What do you require, Dr. Stewart?
State your previous missions.
Eliminate the smuggler known as Sinzel. Check. Destroy Markovian safe house. Leveled. Exterminate the Blackbird. Done. Kill Nichelle Payne. Terminated with prejudice.
Oh my God.
Is there a problem, Dr. Stewart?
No, I just need you to return to stasis so I can run a few upgrades on your brain chip.
That thing killed Khalil's mother. You need to shut this monster down, Lynn, before the ASA uses it to slaughter anyone else.
He's not a monster. Don't call him a monster or an it or a thing or any other word that isn't Khalil. I lost 14 kids, Gambi. 14 people died because of me. And I won't lose another person ever again. I'll save Khalil if it's the last thing I do.
Lynn, I beg of you to set your emotions aside.
You should go before you're discovered. Or I turn you in myself.
I've given you administrative rights to the ASA network. You'll have full access to the ASA's database and all the surveillance footage from inside the pit. I hope in the end you'll do the right thing.
When have I not? Now go. Peter. Jen can never know about this.